In this video, we listed the 5 best laptop stand on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Carbon Steel Laptop Stand. This is a listing for the YYLM Laptop Stand, a foldable and adjustable stand made of carbon steel designed for laptops and tablets up to 17.3 inches. It comes in black, gray, and silver, and aims to provide ergonomic elevation and storage. The product is sold by the YYLM official store on AliExpress and is currently priced at US $38.52 before tax, with a shipping fee of US $24.78 to Bangladesh. It highlights secure payments and data protection guarantees. The listing also shows several similar laptop stands from other sellers, featuring various functions like 360 degrees rotation, USB hubs, and cooling fans. Number 2. Aleación de aluminio Laptop Stand. This is an advertisement for the Ysoco brand portable laptop stand made from aluminum alloy. It's designed for laptops and tablets ranging from 10 to 16 inches, including MacBook Air Pro models, as well as devices from Xiaomi, Lenovo, HP, Dell, and Asus. The stand offers adjustable height, promotes cooling through its design, and has a stable triangular support structure. It's foldable for portability and comes in silver, sold by Ysoco Car Kit Store. The listing also shows various other laptop stands and related accessories available. Number 3. 7-in-1 USB-C Hub Laptop Stand. This product is an YYLM brand laptop stand made of aluminum alloy, originating from China. It is designed for laptops under 17 inches and serves as a multifunctional hub. It features a 4K 30Hz HDMI port, 2 USB 3.0 ports, TF, SD card slots, up to 64 GB, a USB-C 3.1 port, and a USB-C PD port supporting up to 100W power delivery. It is essential to ensure that the USB-C port on your device fully supports charging, data transfer, and video, audio output before purchasing. The product is offered by Reading HDD SSD Store and ships from Bangladesh. Number 4. YYLM N8 Aluminium Laptop Stand. This listing is for a laptop stand made of aluminum alloy, sold by Tablet Stand Store on AliExpress under the brand YYLM, shipping from China. It's priced at US $2.11 before tax, with additional shipping costs to Bangladesh. The stand has a weight of 480, and there are over 9,993 units available. The seller has a positive feedback rating of 96.9%. The listing also suggests other similar laptop stands and related products from various brands, showcasing different features like rotation, USB hubs, cooling fans, and adjustability. Number 5. Aluminum Alloy Laptop Desk. This is a foldable and adjustable portable laptop desk made of metal, specifically aluminum, originating from China and sold by YYLM. Marketed as a solution for using a computer in bed, it's designed for convenience with no built-in drawers, keyboard shelf, or storage. The product is available for purchase in Bangladesh with free shipping, estimated delivery in late May. The seller, FanPU Shop Store, has a positive rating of 93.5%. The listing also features numerous similar products, including adjustable laptop stands, folding tables, and bed desks. The seller encourages buyers to contact them for discounts, questions, or issues with their purchase, and emphasizes positive feedback.